Welcome to your chair yoga practice. I'm New Notifications, and I'm glad you're here. Today we'll explore gentle movement and breath, all from the comfort of a chair. This practice is for everyone, regardless of age, flexibility, or experience. Find a sturdy chair, sit with your feet flat, and give yourself permission to move in a way that feels good. Settle in, and let's begin. Let's begin our journey with seated mountain pose, the foundation of our chair yoga practice. This pose is all about finding stability, strength, and a sense of calm, no matter where you are or what your experience level may be. It's a gentle reminder that you can always return to your own inner mountain, steady, grounded, and tall. Start by sitting tall on your chair, feet planted firmly on the floor about hip-width apart. Make sure you're not leaning back against the chair's backrest. Let your spine support you. Feel the connection between your feet and the ground, as if you're rooting down into the earth. Place your hands gently on your thighs. You can rest your palms down if you'd like to feel more grounded and connected, or turn your palms up if you're open to receiving energy and positivity. Notice how this simple choice can subtly shift your mood and intention for the practice. Now, bring your awareness to your shoulders. With a gentle inhale, lift your shoulders up toward your ears, and as you exhale, roll them back and down, letting any tension melt away. Feel your chest open and your heart space expand, inviting in a sense of ease. Imagine there's a delicate string attached to the very top of your head, gently lifting you upward. Allow your spine to lengthen, each vertebra stacking one on top of the other. Keep your chin parallel to the floor, and notice how this small adjustment brings a sense of alertness and dignity to your posture. If you feel comfortable, softly close your eyes or lower your gaze to a spot in front of you. Begin to tune into your breath. Notice the gentle rise and fall of your chest and belly as you inhale and exhale. There's no need to change your breath, just observe it, letting each inhale bring in fresh energy and each exhale release what you no longer need. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose, feeling your belly and chest expand. Hold for a moment at the top of your breath, then exhale fully, letting your shoulders relax even more. With each breath, imagine tension melting away, leaving you feeling lighter and more present. Notice the support beneath you, the chair, the floor, the earth itself. Allow yourself to feel grounded and safe, knowing that this is your foundation. In seated mountain pose, you are both rooted and uplifted, steady and open. Take a few more breaths here, savoring this moment of stillness and strength. When you're ready, we'll begin to add gentle movement, building on this strong, steady base you've created. Remember, you can always return to your mountain whenever you need to find balance and calm. Let's gently wake up the spine with seated cat-cow. Feet grounded, hands on thighs. Inhale, arch your back, heart forward, gaze up toward the ceiling. Exhale, round your spine, chin to chest, navel in. Move slowly, matching your breath to movement. Inhale, open the chest. Exhale, round and release tension. Flow at your own pace, feeling the stretch and release. Imagine moving like seaweed, fluid, gentle, and free. 2 more rounds. Inhale, arch, exhale, round your back. Return to neutral, seated mountain. Notice how your back feels now. Great job. Time for a side stretch. Sit tall, feet grounded. Inhale, sweep your right arm up, reaching from hip to fingertips. Exhale, lean left, feeling the stretch along your right side. Keep your chest open, neck relaxed. Breathe deeply, then return to center. Lower your arm, pause, and notice the difference. Inhale, left arm up. Exhale, lean right, stretching the left side. Breathe, then rise back to center. Lower your arm, sit tall. Feel the balance in your body. Well done. Let's add a gentle twist. Sit tall, feet flat. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, twist right. Left hand to right thigh, right hand behind you. Twist from your core, not just your shoulders. Inhale, grow taller. Exhale, gently deepen the twist. Hold for a breath, then unwind to center. Inhale, Lengthen. Exhale. Twist. Left. Right hand to left thigh, left hand behind. Breathe, feeling the gentle ringing out. Unwind to center. Notice the energy in your spine. Twists refresh and release tension. Nice work. Welcome to a gentle practice in the art of letting go. Today we'll explore how a simple seated forward fold can help us release tension, both in the body and the mind. This pose is accessible to everyone, and it's a beautiful way to invite softness and surrender into your day. Let's begin together, moving slowly and with intention. Sit tall at the edge of your chair, feet planted wide and firmly on the ground. Feel the support beneath you. As you inhale, imagine a string gently lifting the crown of your head toward the ceiling, lengthening your spine. Let your shoulders relax away from your ears, and notice the gentle expansion in your chest. As you exhale, begin to hinge forward from your hips, not your waist. Allow your torso to move slowly toward your thighs, keeping your back long and your movement mindful. There's no need to force or strain, just let gravity guide you forward, honoring your body's limits. Rest your forearms gently on your thighs for support, or if it feels comfortable, let your arms dangle loosely toward the floor. Notice the sensation of release in your shoulders and arms as you surrender to the pose. Allow your hands and fingers to relax completely, letting go of any tension you might be holding. Let your head hang heavy, releasing the weight of your thoughts and the tension in your neck. Feel the gentle stretch along your spine and the back of your neck. With each breath out, imagine stress and worries melting away, flowing down and out of your body. Breathe deeply into your back, feeling the gentle expansion with every inhale. As you exhale, allow your body to soften a little more, surrendering any tightness or resistance. Notice how your breath creates space, inviting calm and ease into your entire being. Stay here for several slow, nourishing breaths. With each inhale, imagine drawing in fresh energy. With each exhale, let gravity do the work, helping you release what no longer serves you. Trust the support of the chair and the earth beneath you as you rest in this gentle fold. When you're ready to rise, bring your hands to your thighs. Press your feet firmly into the ground, and with care, begin to roll up slowly, stacking each vertebra one at a time. Let your head come up last, feeling the gentle awakening of your spine and neck as you return to an upright position. Take a deep, cleansing breath in, filling your lungs completely. Exhale slowly, feeling a sense of release and renewal. Place your hands on your lap or over your heart, and notice the calm that now fills your body. Notice the subtle shift in your energy, the lightness in your body, and the peace in your mind. Take a moment to honor yourself for practicing the art of letting go. Carry this sense of ease with you into the rest of your day. Time for a gentle knee-to-chest stretch. Sit tall, feet on the floor. Lift your right knee, hug it in with your hands. Keep your spine long, shoulders relaxed. Breathe, feeling the stretch in your hip and lower back. Option to circle your ankle. Hold for a breath. Then release your foot to the floor. Notice the sensation. Lift your left knee, hug it in. Breathe, maybe circle the ankle. Release, both feet down. Feel the release in your hips. Great job. Let's wake up our feet and ankles. Our feet carry us through life, supporting every step, yet we often forget to give them the attention they deserve. Today, we'll focus on gentle movements to bring awareness, flexibility, and energy to your feet and ankles. Find a comfortable seat, sit tall, and let's begin this simple but powerful routine together. Start by extending your right leg out in front of you. Gently lift your foot off the floor, and begin to circle your ankle slowly, making big, smooth circles. Feel the stretch and movement in your ankle joint. Take your time, noticing any stiffness or ease. After a few circles, reverse the direction, moving your foot the other way. This helps to lubricate the joint and wake up the muscles and tendons around your ankle. Lower your right foot gently back to the floor. Now, extend your left leg. Lift your foot, and begin circling your left ankle, just as you did with the right. Move slowly and mindfully, making each circle as big as is comfortable for you. Reverse the direction after a few rotations. Notice if one side feels different from the other. This simple movement increases circulation and helps maintain mobility in your ankles. Bring both feet back to the floor, feeling the connection between your soles and the ground. Take a moment to notice any sensations: warmth, tingling, or a gentle buzz of energy. Your feet are your foundation, and these movements help keep them strong and responsive. Now, with both feet flat, begin to tap your toes on the floor, lifting and lowering them several times. This wakes up the muscles along the tops of your feet and shins. Next, lift your heels off the ground, pressing into the balls of your feet, then lower them back down. Repeat this motion, feeling the stretch in your calves and the activation in your lower legs. Let's alternate now. Tap your toes, then lift your heels, moving back and forth in a gentle rhythm. This alternating motion helps improve coordination and balance, and encourages healthy blood flow throughout your feet and legs. Keep breathing steadily as you move, enjoying the gentle challenge. As you continue, notice the muscles in your feet, ankles, and lower legs working together. Feel the warmth and energy building, and imagine fresh blood circulating, bringing nourishment and vitality to every cell. These small movements can have a big impact on your overall comfort and mobility. Now pause. Place both feet flat on the floor. Close your eyes if you're comfortable, and take a deep breath in. Exhale, slowly, letting your body relax. Notice how your feet feel, perhaps lighter, more awake, or simply more present. Notice the tingling and energy in your feet. Even these simple movements can create a sense of renewal and well-being. Your feet are alive, your foundation is strong, and you've taken an important step toward caring for your whole body. Well done. Your happy feet will thank you all day long. Return to seated mountain. Place your hands on your heart or thighs. Remember to listen to your body and move with kindness. Even a few mindful minutes each day can make a difference. Thank you for joining me. Subscribe for more gentle practices. Namaste.